Pacho, this would send me your phone is my other number, yeah. Quick one. Because me empty and the number, no, that's will be I want to send it and Mother's Day messages and Crawford sending maybe send me reply. Concert Dawson. Hello, sugar daddies. I am ready and 2 sugar daddy free. Very much sending me one.
What's in the name of maybe I'll say I'm going to Friday. I'm not going to let me know what to say. I
won't walk control room home. The one who feel so no la. Almost say once that na you feel like a crowd. Here, almost feel you inside all room.
Johnny. Is that Johnny?
Grandpa.
Hey, you know I talk about me.
Where the cameras is?
Baba, follow me.
Hey.
Yeah, lunch here. Hey, anoint me, anointing go for our corner share. One night in the best factory.
My God.
Oh, dear, no one knows my now reaction. Johnny. Wow, yes, mommy.
Yeah, baby.
Johnny. Oh, now boy, Instagram.
Oh, I am. Okay, let me follow you. Let me follow you. Challenge.
Oh, that is so like a tongue sergeant. She never la baba later.
Overnight, how much tongues? Tongues. Fast anyway, you are going in now. Why
you must send me the topic? Oh, hey. Yeah, what up on there?
You check me to the phone.
Yes, madam, no shop.
Oh.
Let me.
Oh, you boy.
Tell me, I'm in a from her. Time so. You sugar daddy beard in ten, you made me Canada sugar daddy replacement. It's in Pacho. Papa, at the Hokwa, Papa Yadakwa. Come me. Wash a girls, and the man anointing come on. Your daddy's going to enjoy it. Pokey, but I'm shocked. Then I ask, what can worry, Scoopies? I mean, like, I just fired 2 sugar daddies. I need replacement. So hook me up to your daddies and let me be your stepmommy. I'll be the amazing stepmommy you've always been waiting for. By the way, tune into on 95.1 FM. Jericho. Hey, 22 minutes late. Are you kidding me? We don't have a cameraman, so we're doing radio.
There's somebody supposed to be looked. You call us a back.
Give me the sultano. Give me the sultano. Colo. Me. Family. Timmy. Dummy. To. What's here? One minute. Me ma akwaba ediba onua 95.1 FM so sans na me ma akwaba ediba onua TV so ani odonto time odonto to ya mama kan odonto odonso time ena aso odonso me be ma wodo aso aye chinchan sano ani enti ma wo fidie nda ha ma machine nda ha fatsumeso ai so wo hwe me Facebook live and also hwe me onua TV wow to me say ma shedra papa bi ani ho kimi why ya the number na to dwa na wo di ama wo papa na wo de me picture yes screenshot facho papa chance girl we wa shedra akono keke obefisa poki me dwene mo ho nyina mo ho me dwene o papa ho ani all the daddies girl ne me o papa ni favorite and me na me ya goddess no radio sex goddess majim seat ewo onua 95.1 FM me di odonso ebrel and shock na me lucky o na nyumri letter bia me kenkan wewa emunsamo ye soko mi bebebe mu afifi mu na majemu truka ama wonsusu afa points and they will fail masai me say the dog anointed me say the dog apostle Paul sakite ewo fie ha sounds na Martinez American is wo fie ha ono obi ehu ne da just ne glasses na dubia net semu sa akosu mod my sexy cute goddess ewa ha Ojani Jami Benyumrei. Oh my gosh, she's here. Akosia ewo fie hanomo into squad na bosso abweni. Shout outs to Nana Addo Dankwa Junior and shout outs to Maria Mansoso. Shout outs to Omo and Omo Ntimiamba because of social distancing and na momo sina medi kaka no o share me Facebook live take a screenshot na fachira papa na kacha ne say girl wear your heart na pedadi na ordinity action so ente 95.1 yeah, no Maya. I love this job, man. Oh my God. I did it now, sweet. I did it now, sweet. What's it day? I did. I was so one. Okay, ebusia for sofo akosia Martinez me mama akwawa
Yeah.
Akosia. Mema wakwa. Oh my God. Enti Akosia ko share. I don't know what dog is so long, sir. Oh, Oko chow. Why I kono? Why do? Me a bear manka. Me a bear man, can you read? Okay.
Yes, I'm actually bonny.
Oh, so for me, they are chill bonny. Hey, me, they are just so for bonny. And
let's just watch and say, man.
So for why I kono? No, why I kono? So for shiny skin at torso. Like shiny now. Then it's sra. Like a koni sra more. Like I would really want to see what's there. Like I mean, I was. I'm sorry. Monkey. I could say why you dead though? And I late kakra. Ain't me go straight to the topic. Nana babu me. Day. Yeah, beba. Let me tell you one secret. And you yeah, boy. Akubeni featuring Batai. Me and I try video edit video edit to abonte mama. Me into 2007 and 2006 I'm an editor, I'm a pro. And you want me record you Hasha Studios. So it's one of my favorite because I worked on it. Okay, me call letter this one some topic in so. Letter no nipa odi buy one funny di account, but let me go straight to it. I say there is a belief that marriages and as a relationships work better when you talk about sex. And you need to keep talking if you want the intimacy and connection to remain. Okay. Why are most couples shy to include sexual talk in their conversation? Okay. I know your topic, no, sorry. And sorry, I make any topic, you know. So we'll come back to that. But in a letter, no, I'm going straight to it. I say, good evening, Miss Bell. I'm Justice, a teacher in Koforidua. I'm dating a lady who came to do her national service in the same school I teach. Miss Bell, please next time address me as goddess. Okay, thank you. Miss Bell, we have been dating for a year, but anytime we have sex, within 2 days I see a sticky discharge from my penis. I went to see a friend who is a pharmacist who gave me some antibiotics which solved the problem. Anytime the discharge anytime the discharge comes, I get that antibiotic from my friend. I have tried to talk to my lady to go to the hospital for a checkup. Brahima, get out. You are interrupting my letter. I said get out or stop talking.
The second producer.
Me pacho me reading letter na me producer and so I receive content me name say from but me dey from me pa. Brahima, you are from my letter. I have to read the letter all over again. Brahima, can I read my letter now? Okay, so it's here for I have to start the letter all over again. All over. Okay, say good evening, Miss Bell. I am Justice, a teacher in Koforidua. I'm dating a lady who came to do her national service in the same school I teach. Miss Bell, we have been dating for a year, but anytime we have sex, within 2 days, I see sticky discharge from my penis. I went to see a friend who is a pharmacist who gave me some antibiotics which solved the problem. Anytime the discharge comes, I get the antibiotic from my friend. I have tried to talk to my lady to go to the hospital for a checkup, but she said she doesn't have a problem. And she's even telling me I'm cheating on her, but trust me, I am not sleeping around with any other girls. Her vagina is clean and smells so good, but and the slogan came at the right time. Her vagina is clean, just like your own, Miss Bell. Her vagina is clean and smells so good, but when we have sex, this problem keeps persisting. I started wearing condom 2 months ago, and can you believe I never saw that fluid from my penis? She told me if I will be wearing condom, then she won't have sex with me again. I sometimes leak hair and I have stopped because I'm afraid of some mouth infections. I'm confused. Please help me because I really love hair. Okay. Ella Pau. So ebusiafo lesson na ba etietie mu ano abrantie bi na opa hwere se oni oba bi date na anytime ombe have sex no anytime obedi oba na so beto oba na tonga bia no na 2 days later na say ensuo twintwan fita bi efrene kotemo oba enti no eya na wa konadanfo bi ho akogye duro na danfo no ye pharmacist oton eduro or drugstore and to con ho kogye duro no afa se na be ya asansuo na efrene kotemo no ebe free ho akoso for some time oni oba na kasaba oba na so oni problem enti no afi osuro because yeah 95.1 enti no afi die aboni hu because yeah otafre oba ni twem as an sex no I started, which is the right thing to do. Muni oba ebedi mo ho a so otemi tafre ni twemu e defe ni twe krokro ni twese na be ya twa ne be fo aye ready for the dick to penetrate into oya sa de ni nyina but sana ya odi ni wie na niam be fi de kotimo ba after no or decide yes na twa ne kra on tafre mu bi because obetimi anya mouth infection eno de ni nimu ade mouth infection. So benya kaka na se ne numebo na se I don't know about mouth infection but see office benya mouth infection to be giant and afin so the condom na edi twa no na could I believe say or start to say or the condom edi twa no sense so fita na efe ni kotimo ba after sex na maybe and so oba ne see so the condom be di ni twa dia on mane ndi ni twa bi say onye dem because odono pa into onye den. I hope say my church mu wie e wo twi my church mu wie a akosia mo de wa ha sofo wa ha Martinez wa ha omodi ebe fi so amao. I don't see me when you she and then Menumunsa, or won't see me brain yashi. Yankada, Martinez. Akosia, Sofo.
Yeah, Mixbel. But you're fast white time.
And your corner me, Koya, who do Brahima, don't interrupt me when I'm working. Apologize. Yeah. Martinez, Akosia Sofo. Asamno na medi atudwano. Or patcher say, or the girlfriend we are, and so be finny cotton, but the condoms at say, or the agent no, and maybe meeting a channel friend or crown, or yeah, which is going to be a problem because we did now want to free more. Mamma is starting free, of course, yes, because you won't not check. And on us to the abundance and a definite tread or your expect because or your sex coach. Nejumano no, who on the Facebook page and somebody. Ubeti bi atiashi akosia asemi ye churchim esen
Mixbel bedasi echobia so oti o share so dedika ni chia me so Reverend George we did or Victory Bible
so
yeah and our sister so and the weekend birthday you have made Mixbel asemi aban very serious and obi and be a bema or bar or relationship more and also warrior you have to pay attention. What was it? Bema let's say or name the girl no one and then yes sex the omudi omuhuya and then so be feel the
Basho kasago Mike no mami why
after 2 days time na
onya discharge efine eba
I say and a girlfriend say onim no pa sana edie
o sa se ne twa kra e clean emo nso ye hwam me nim atwa ye hwam
what was a trivia was saying? Trivia was saying, a boy and I want a natural scent one. And a transfer yaria, I want a scent.
And a crowd.
Yes. And a tribute so what say, yeah, a man casano, ye nipediana society. And you know, you are what you eat. Into baby, I Janibia or Dibian, it's me affected. A Diababia so obedient, it's me, it's so true. No, why do who soon near affect scent? But then you were natural scent for a check. Now, young bro, Bam, guy, no problem. Or say, almost sex, and I am in so be femina. After 2 days. After 2 days, be a call from a
Satana or Barney Chamunia Manasa on the cotton.
Oh, say, yeah, chimpina, yeah, Kobe, yamma, yeah, health.
And who here
because only Obano neti, Oba more courty, and I moved there to say that she been mobile worry. And I'm starting here in the movie. And what because at a point, Obabia was a son, like I said, baby also was a son because say only wow personal toilet and I say washroom. Now I use other a year. Definitely, Ubenya Yarefi baby. Obama swap. And then Mediha, or China Mediha, Adechia Mediha, or no so me a fire. So who knew, support a wound see. Who caught ye so full as a year by you or ye by Diabro, dear, a fool or one. Last year by Abro before a while. He teach now be brain swap, it's me mouth infection. Yana Bema be brain you. Beman's who did who hear it or girlfriend when you're infection, ye entreaty ye. Now continuously dinner was bet me infection. Na yen ya be ma no o se problem no e ba na wako pharmacy shop na wako ji eduro ai ti say de max wall ho na de bia no odi powder e pepa so ana say odi bibi cover so unkun max na ekro na wo ho ne enhui inti no first one yes so unya problem bia e bia na ade asa inti no the nearest pharmacy shop and store no obetimi akoni ama antibiotics na reduce way no But then adichia, you have to pay a visit to the hospital. Because for now, no yeah, yati hey na me say me nim particular problem a one and a mem guy no or problem a onya no.
So
and a mem my area so a
fluid be a fin cotton.
Yes, fluid a be fit or bema cotton mudiaba no. Ejina yare bebre so. Gonorrhea de ba.
But mem anya candidiasis.
Yes.
Okay.
Gonorrhea de ba. Chlamydia ya white de ba. So what you say? Urinary tract infection, UTI, eba. Have a sexually transmitted disease and so on. And you know this no sticky in so ne fi kote di mo ba no. Yen to me nche say way ya gonorrhea, and now say way a UTI, and now say way a infection bi a wa piki e wo bi a washroom toilet bi seats bi so, and now say ono ankasa no ni kote ni mu no o yare dada. Enti no niema kan say me nua be ma no onko hospital in the first place. Na okwa ontwe ne yere na ndi na chi ne girlfriend no no ne
me ntwa no, but is it possible say ebi o no ankasa na anya infection bi wo baby enti no so or have sex
na
akoka no na ama na ba na
no
because o check condom na o ka say o check condom enti na baby say is it possible say yare no say sex ebe mo a ene de no ho edi ana because o condom na emma dia which means ne cotton nka etwe no
oh say o say onya sex na enya at that particular moment
2 days later but you so condom
it could be say I had to say there ekro won ho na wakodi mbiprago na emu so what you say into no any on no antibiotics na a reduce we you kakra nto ko di ne ho pe no wakọ break road into after 2 days we won say na onya insunsuanso no it could also be say because on antibiotics no onuma it doesn't cure the problem no completely kataso into no onya or the sanko the girl no honey ne koda into problem kono could be from the yire girl no and now say a yadia a war no ane ho enti iye omutu ni nko hospital may identify that particular problem na yen cure no anytime there he would continue to experience this problem and or mention is free training or finger channel or ye bibia emu sent no ye kama
like it's a decent pussy.
Oh no, or chesent or new chesent.
Or say, oh no, on can say, yeah, chesent or say, and we him.
And we him.
He likes the scent that comes from or body pussy now, so he likes
it. Say, Yenny Pancasa. A bit of what?
Wait, I can see away. Like, what's the problem? What's funny?
Nana, I came last week. Obisa near born or pay.
But so percent if you're buying but I say a normal percent because ebia no but what's funny
ebia na oye wonga bomone kra na ni jon ni bia
I disagree
also actually clean mu ye clean won ye nipa ye wa ha wo be hu obi be shi obi ne sifita nso nanim ni timu wa yare so what you say into no atwani mu scent ne de ebetumi aye okay
but ebia na yare o
mu so be de odi e ne de ne bibia but then na lady ne so enya infection bi a ye treat ye
intention
into da so hyemu
but to clean
say o say emu ye hwam no odi na no come first time dem on say scent anka say wo ye ma ni mu a eya na ehye inside no enti say udi oba to de bia won say oh utafri mu ye bibia na ye fine the moment odi kwati ni be wura twani mu atwani be tu no scent be free atwani mu na be pem wo no wo won say ansa na wo be hu say scent so what you say me nua be ma no mon fa same way mon tna ho kra because very serious
on to homreka
one share year betumi ku ne kwate and only oba betina na okoti be wo beja ho akọ
tell me about it
say your oba no so na problem ni free now o se waka oba na mpini ti say condom the fact say who use condom na chere say ade no fo aso unware no eyo yire this is what the problem I'm going through yenko hospital na yenko check e bia wo na problem ni free o ana say bia me na problem ni free me na yen sort it out na yen sign back to your sex life no as normal na yen enjoy ni ye because and to me nye better say all the time your be sex be wie na me twemu me kwati mu nso na wohu eya na ha adwen kakra enti the media me ka che be ma ne say pe ne yire no kasa ebi nso ana ebi o kasa che no won say ye man kasa no wo ne make oh akoso ya otwe mu bon that's rude. I won't go. Sometimes how the approach now we present here no and abema me medi wachi say yanko oh baby etwa no na me dia na me yesay but I say afa yi kakra o who say yanko hospital yanko
I will be offended if you tell me that even
oh say even no ne kra no some will be offended
back
but
in the day me ntwa no achebi be me bia na me dating no okodi or baby I'm so bad was a candidate to say no and then and then we had something to do and of Phyllis and Minyabi mama can't and he wanted me to treat it the way he said it was cool or catch me plain say when didn't honey I'm a 1 year infection be and to Phyllis say or Phyllis say ebia or the mame ebia af me yin nyanshan and starting show about Phyllis or their mommy ain't na papa say and that made sense to me
oh say the ono catch you no wo oba nyansa fo ntu ti ase oba bi wo ho a wo be ka say nyame oba ka say wakobo adwaman wafa na chi so what you say into the nene ntina se ono ankasa oba no so you obi opewa onim how I train ya odefa and onim say mutina ye no na problem no enti say definitely there's something wrong somewhere ebia na ye be man na say your oba no into nicely montina se nene nkasa baby onim say me to me nja wo ho enkodi twa bia etwa we no na me wu adam into na say ye bo what you say?
Na man it ya
but
me say
me ye divia me nya problems be near one day man no antibiotics all right but it's not and yeah yi bia ma binti me feel say yentu ne yenko na say a drobi or head be ma me ana won so ya ma obi no anom say the best return to yourself na I enjoy I think that when you present it nicely to the lady now even so on the way in kokra na ono so betimi akohu ni doctor bi ni na kasa said this is a problem maybe na ya solve it what you say I foresee or did no no share condom na girl ni boyfu and I say yes on the dear way you condom dear and you raw dear condom dear no so when you be what train your mind you know no wa dwen no ene condom na fa ye di wa on tehwe
yeah
na say bo condoms ni bi wo ha ya ye ho te say kote na yi wo ho a wo feel wo ho say but condom there is different from the body wo and imagine say kote ni share training na wo training mu afọ na ko two fro na wo tin kakra wom na ekoba but condom no ebi wo ho a share training mu na te say matter no move na occupy space in a shim into bon say what
different matter anything that has
but then you say matter they occupy I mean
anything that has weight and occupies space
it doesn't move
I know
right say a flippy woman na ma once a continue flip as a move there should be movement in the pussy.
I know
it no sound in a few more crab
and entice you to do more
cool. Yeah. But then condoms ni bi wo ho a shebe ma no the shemu a on tehwi entwitwi bibia
skills ni na
tire you see enti no so na bia oba no on finish almost condom na but they all explain each other and say this is a problem in my major condom no so would you make you solve all this issue I think I'll go back to our now you're doing raw but I won't hear there and I may be the condom never because you being grand you are dating and you don't to be put your life at risk and I remember be brain him say kotiemo yare no etumikum
kotieno
Uncle Cotton create to me kum one kasa.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You're telling me.
Because so when you're gonorrhea, when you're chlamydia, when you're other sexual transmitted diseases, UTIs, in the entry here. That they be a unya discharge, no, now when you're discharge, no, the entry. It's a bit kum.
It affect you.
It will good. It will affect you. After the old cotton, Oba ne betena ho e di ho agro ye di nkuto ye betumi asa nkuruma afa ho kra en sorry ebe ku nkote no enti the bema ne sorry e mema mu tie mu di twa na ukote mu fi nsu a na bi mu ho makope yi no akope
mema nyina sorry
wakope para na yi bi no anom no asan besi so me pa cho ye nko hospital ye wom doctors o mo hwe kote obehwe you be your test, you be run no test. I say problem be near how partner no. Now for your solving in Nadiama. Think that this is a little a bit.
Thank you, darling. Giddy, young quarter. Officer me boy. Go baby, young goody. And say money, watching. Libby, lava. Set it the one. All like stamina. All like stamina. Apostle Martinez. I want Martinez. What's the way I will let be there? Me ne won kwana so function so. Martinez, utie me letter no. Wetie akoshe modfa wodi twaso. Na feeling shell.
Goddess.
Say it again. Goddess. As in goddess. I like how you say my name, but say it again. Okay, now go on.
Yeah, it's here for now.
It's here for Joseph.
Yeah, we'll be out here on I'll show you
the way I owe me an idea.
Yes, I'll send me my free. Apostle and Mrs.
Maud. Well, first time I'll meet Martinez. Hey.
Yes, first time.
He's something else. He's very formal.
What can be
I shining glasses, nobody has ever seen his eye.
Oh, okay, so you're not being fit. I think some time ago you are.
Flip-flop. It was a flip-flop. And look, Nana do not challenge you. And I'll flip. It was flip-flop. But it's okay. It's all good. Many Masha lashes.
Yeah, I think before that, my mom only produced about small grade map.
Yeah,
but not a strange kakra at the point now you wanted to sack him.
It was a question. I didn't want to.
You want to?
I was asking him.
But you guys are doing amazing work.
How could you even bring that out?
Miss Goddess, we share more than that, but
Wakasa.
Fact.
She's a sex coach.
Emmanuel Mutieno. Omo fana supreme pa. I think say onim bema nante. And
oh yeah, sex coach.
She's good.
She's amazing. Yes. She's awesome.
We're previously a marriage
material.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a proposal.
Oh no, but we're proving. On the Emmanuel, they are not materials for marriage, and they refuse to understand. But what's the assessor and the Mario homework here? But she has proved it. We're dealing with the issue as she's supposed to deal with it. We're dealing with it just
stop addressing Maud. Now go to the point.
It's true because as I'm not
Maud, I'm jealous.
As I'm not
what can you
yes, but with the from what you read, no kakra me said Obano na sunyedi based on what the guy is saying, because at the end of the day, no, for your own good. And I like the point now more than make here say, it's me cool. I mean the infections, it's me cool. And see, if the guy has complained, I think it's your first time and your second time and third time. Not yes, so yeah, then I don't know, because according to him, no condom so how come? Say anytime we are back on the road, then he experienced that. That means
Which means the problem is the pussy?
is between the two of them. So either say we or ban one or the bearman. And now say Abia or bearman. And also the more ban. It would have found so bearman who cry or ban is winner automatically. Obiana how the body reacts. They are not no. I'm about to say they are bearman, but it doesn't mean say she doesn't have it. Because once it's likely say Ankoye that day, the following time, obviously Obina. And see, Obi and conversion on Onka. But so with my point, one shows that this is a challenge I'm going through. So, n.p.p. Now you go to the extent of threatening him. So I check condom Abijana.
Is that a threat?
Of course, it's a threat.
If you don't put on a condom, you won't fuck my pussy.
It's a threat.
It's
scary.
I mean, like the other pussies you can go and fuck.
No, but you see, it's a threat.
It's not like there's a gun on your head.
Yes, but our relationship moves away and gun.
Really?
He ended up by saying, and I saw him. So I think so. He said, the guy is so much into her. It's no yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And then your privilege say Oba better Bema. I mean, like
Oba
love is
dear.
love is
I
love.
would say, so Obama do Oba no. And yes, we saw Obama better Oba, but easy so Oba better Obama. Oba give you out holy. And yeah, easy, say Obama better Oba. Obama beats my Oba. But then, no. Based on say they are open it, you know. Or Danakuma so agree, but Bema is in him sort of. You see, there are certain things he discussed with you. And when a child said the person is into you. And see, if say, or
And on Bema ni would discuss it with once a month. That's all the one.
some people no one discusses that. I won't kind of budget. In fact, you are not part of his plan.
And to what about don't know when discussing the trauma.
Of course. That's a word on that. What is scary to discuss?
And then the one answer question quick. Thank you so much. Of course.
Oh, yeah.
So for can you beat about the bush?
I think that's because of mud.
I
know. I'm making it simple.
Hey.
Well, born it to find it's true. It's good, sir. It's good, sir. Money piano. Because Sebi the young Kubano didn't say who. To me, that's how I see it. Until we're addressing you, we're advising.
Oh, yeah, expect we're
advising you through the guide. I don't know so Obano's will tell you, but I think the advice now call Obano through the guide. But the ambitious one is that if say or cannot the lady is still adamant, boss. Your life matters.
Adamant, but you can trim why not trim.
Answer why not just say
yeah.
Your life matters a lot. If not one Kasakra, you are valuable. Emma or mine.
Because more the area to me come.
Of course.
I bet me a way for the
Of course.
So why are you not affected?
Oh, what?
Over to me,
But is it possible? Is it possible? Say or baby or infection? Not on who saw infection.
Maybe on who ba.
Because Beman is see or catch her nobody says she's fine. So is it possible? So be infection not only.
It could be. Say she's been secretive.
Mixbel, yeah, ma.
Goddess, it's goddess.
Maybe I channel bono.
More Kasakuma.
Your channel and your Snapchat now my notification. So we are.
Oh wow.
Let's say Ubenya foul order be offensive order be. Aside that, maybe what a channel pro, but a mom.
But you can get some like itchy and discharges. Onya itchy no, onya discharge no.
But then not a didimu.
I do
baby. I say, it might be brave into men will be cause of infection.
Yeah.
Gonorrhea, syphilis, UTI, sexually transmitted disease.
Candiditis. What about candiditis? I'm listening to me affected.
White. What kind of problem?
Okay, white.
Untreated one. Well, And a young man, baby, you do a bedroom so. As I say, was it? Washrooms now you use so. You're quite near cotton out of use so. Yet me pick infections free these places. Near my insect where you trim. For all you know, this a brand a problem no femono. If you're banning so percent the China etching into a pain roby.
It's a drone that I was waiting to say that. A bedroom in the manufacturer, no.
Then the cotty red training say him.
Now manifest it.
Not alarm number.
More than your time. My brand.
Oh my hermano.
Martinez time.
Oh, goodness. Oh,
me how only say me show any more I mean you're okay.
Oh, maybe you're okay. Because I make a news.
Hey, what you? And then the pictures have very Chinese.
One thing about Bema say you saw back on the corner say or your objective your pronunciation to go over. Who's the most attended now for Bema on tax. Bema you know. Casa na yen casa. Yes. In fact,
nice fat.
You're tiny.
Nah fat.
Because goddess, you're very sensitive. Point no reason, you know. You're very, very, very serious. I
say taking notes.
You wasn't Druniana, your dream was to say having side effects. To you, dear, amount the results. But at the end of the day, no dream. And beside hospital, a beer, your cocoa share, and see, and your bonnet. Even if say, oh no, symptoms, we are but not say, you have to be serious about it. Because at the end of the day, you know, your health also matters. And see, for me, I think that more material, more emotional. My empha and Nemunsem and Diagro. Because at the end of the day, maybe all the backup. The only need I had to become Bema for first. But no, be an onka. Obeja we see a quan fifi, and see if he be beer. We need that. So a bedroom also no, now a beer, a did watch it, now too late, a cow be bono, and car, also of in there. So I think say the guy should try his best and then still talk to her. Say, sir, and or obey, not say, or no social name one on Chinaho. After all. And force.
Obey to me, Asha Onuya TV. Now wait here, Onuya 95.1 FM. We are live on Onuya TV. Obey Sansu Ako Mixbel fan page or Facebook. Obey to me, who may want so. If I cry and so more, dear, so. A man be real one person or more chen a yet some way be. A so continue to me confessing. So they put a lot of stuff like near maybe a moon here say the best chef in a shaho. Now, when somebody says a shaho into no, more backup, a solve a side effect be at the babiano. And Tabia would you got to echo remoire, a bemao yarie, only backup, but on no backup. And to know who say our problem, and no who say a problem. I didn't know they trying to tremononim say a problem. That's the reason why she doesn't want the condom because we share condom now. Effects now person channel and mawono nice as a who prevent this side effects and to know and no I feel so bano and person the boyfriend be share because yes Anna as Auntie Melia you know the asha hono and to me manifested and wake and to know, I feel say, or ban Ebiana, and yes, or Yari Biana, say, Bibi, but be pure dish hono, and na, and Yakotiana Sano. So for far, whom dear, and to us, so who now when you swear, Nafi. So for me, I address him more, Bibi, because I say, Obia, so I address him more. I'm very jealous. I'm very jealous. Like, my shishedra, like look at my boobs, look at my boobs, look at my lashes. Like everybody is saying, Martinez, but oh wow, but next week, remember. And to some food, they go straight to the point. Address the issue. Don't say anything about mod. Just go straight to the point. And 2% your address.
Baby,
2% your nation address.
Korea, Menoa, na Juma. Because you're in more social anymore.
I'm like, Auntie, I'm running to Nanka, straight to the point.
Men commode.
Men can
More than make a family be a mechanic, bro, by.
But the we are men and to men pulley.
Men come.
So for
Nana Medasi, after Michia, a tea for any affair for you now. It is only covenant prayer line for almost from the US to any UK in you now. And my boyfriend be a Oyimiti or Bawi and my Parkwesi.
Oh, Baba.
Yeah, my Baba. I see last week.
Oh, personal Baba.
Papa. Ewo TV show. I'm saying, yeah. Baby, I did you so common. Yeah, Nana, coming back to
the letter, no.
The letter, no.
And the topic in the battery answer because they're about 11.
11 about. Areho, as Yana, you feel say yenny. And never be brady, onyini in age, and a court relationship, and a marriage in the other. But Sanya Mano Yemfa age and a co. Edinimu dear, any yansa, a wo, a deanum, any at the co. Sir, we nipa na abrabom yen tooth. Yen Cassanchewa. Now we are bibi. In this abrantana seminar, or can say, son or banitia. And no banoya bibi. A bad problem. I'm a bayman. Because here is a case. Me no need diagro.
So for nyagro. Omu diche any kote.
You.
So for the uka yo no njin to mana.
Me jitum.
Oh didn't che.
Ane.
Aha, agro de and a pack so. But we didn't get pack. Where nyagro so for a serious business.
Serious business. Me no yes serious business. The business.
And as I said, that so for men serious. As I said cocaine. What they do I'm signal I mean come me do check.
You.
Aha. Me do check.
I didn't prame.
Aha, o twene prame.
Fine. E prame. It is a wood dummy. Now what nya ye na se. Na wonim se ye pese nya ye ne ye de ko echiri. Ah. Ese me wo fa hia. Entu de wo de wonya nti, wonya pain bia, wonya yawe bia. Enka me pain no feel kakrama. Nanka minti kura me se me enko hospital me enko. Me kaza chro be ma. So only about to start tinne. Na se shouldn't me answer o ware abebre.
But so for me nka baby, me ntwa wano. I'm a good person, you know that. I'm a nice, but so for a bad didn't say me knew be what relationship no waka che me say na say me do try na me cut mu esusun to yen call hospital. I'll be so offended that I will not go.
Na say ekoye nansen ya. Okase why you offended I met to say, but in a way so you don't have to be. Why? Because nansen no ebe kire say e bia me no start here no na me ni sa problem no e kire ni mababenya enti na e bia be wa adwene mo say me dwene say ofa mechi.
Okay.
Number 2, Emma, it is easy for you to get sanyarwa no ewo baby ana mod ekika toilet sunum ni niema easily enti na betu aba 7 no start here no bibi eti say ni but some way somehow ekwamu no wakwa akunya bibi enu nti na ama na nsen afa mi dia minya sa problem.
That's funny the waka. So funny the waka so waka me kasa enti na me dia.
Emma minya sa problem. Enti no whichever way baby a you can obey offended and say near more e can no e bon enye polite
so for but muka che me say would me try onya problem yen call hospital la and no so you offensive.
It shouldn't be. Nana, it shouldn't be.
Oh, so for
Nana,
if I'm a type of woman, I may feel say me try clean. Now that them say me do try, me your problem.
Yes, Miss Bill. Goddess, we are doing any more biddy. You should find that as offensive.
Oh, human nature. Ube feeling bibi kakra.
Oh, and dear.
You are telling me, say, don't find it offensive.
Yes.
So that's how you should address it. But look at them and say, and
relationship now.
Oh, Nana said, that means we good.
Yes.
If I'm a naive person, I'll feel sad the problem is you. And I will take me.
Me baby na, okay. I need your penny kitchen say. I didn't know I say also one no me. What do I say? And so many year idea obey offended. And that's so be offended cry. Me any baby ka crazy. Na jine. Dachi. Oh, dachi. Jine dachi. Why? Because tiega and asem. Odon. It's in opeso ya dia no man ho. Ya dia opeso tena ho afibo. Ne kwa na nyina. And for how long will he continue to be taking antibiotics? Enye kum no obekunu. It's better or addressing the situation. No what was. And so obani reasonable. No bear man who put the feet down. Because name can you Sadi will say ewo. Ese obani bema eyaria winya bibi ti se gonorrhea.
But suffer. We are suffer. Say bibi ko ba sa untime mbo ho mpae.
Nana ani me bi wa nyam Bible. Enye bibia na empire.
Nyakupo nya magic.
Nyakupo nya magic or miracle worker.
Na miracle na make no untime nya miracle inside twem.
Obetimi aye miracle when
Ento untime mbom pai say ready sa me yire twem nsuo.
Na oyere no ono wa ready.
Oyere no ready say adie sisa.
Nipa na wo de ho no ready. Into wo pai
na bu na hia wo a mbom pai ma ho say Eradi
Nane.
I say umpo we happy so I catch you.
Mami come asem say. So obani na stubborn na huhum bu na wo ye huhum ni pasofo. Untimi mbom pai say Eradi anytime me rasa chamber him mani ho ntem mami ana.
Na pai ebu a ha ummo. Me yakubo pra umfio.
Sofo.
Magic we there.
Nyakupo ma abodo mi ensan wo say den da ne bebu.
Na a situation na.
O ma wine. O ma nsuo da ne wine. Enti ultimately etwa ho masofo mani ndi.
Na ene ya kasa ye bia nipa na wo ne ho ama no ho kwan say ente ho ana.
Enna mesi ni onte ho masofo. Tama o ba ko.
Na okay. Omo no ho ni na bi o makuma mu say rade nye.
Nane.
So ye tell
when me so but when me so permission, when me so permission. Oh yeah.
The whole thing is say me yire asia medino medio menu enkume.
Sofo asama
come edua ebetimi ayo.
Sofo. Sofo.
Esu come do ebetimi.
Etawa obetimi o.
Oh nane.
Tami o. Tami. But you're not even listening to what I'm saying. I'm saying that the woman is stubborn. What can we be auntie? Into what me bomb pie say ready, and then we be born raho. Cats who can cram me.
The guy has already made the point. Said the place is clean and on.
But there is something there. But the devil is working. But the devil is working there.
So you have to be specific.
That's what I'm saying. Say eradie. Mini obeya kase wanting we trying to get me there. I try to want it. And to me, me more when Yakupo. Who bet me I be like so.
I don't know who be saying Yakupo.
I sound sarcastic, but so is it possible so bet me I can be sent a bear over good tray about appears song she and come on.
I don't mean try.
Okay, so for bet me. Bet me I try. Pataya who namu yari so Jesus Christ sign.
Yes.
Na we anya hu yare. Na we hu yare. So for yet me to HIV money by 1 Ghana cedis. Na we obet me touch your phone ma wa be dey hu.
Yeah, Nana we say.
Ana di pay ya kan ho asem.
Who yes sofo? I am
talking. Ya hwehwem. Ya toma no hu mu.
And me ka say.
Ya hunamu. Onye ready.
But listen to me. I'm saying is any pay only na ka on tie. Ento onu onye ready so be a divorce no. I know onye ready so be jai twene di. Ento pet me the hum ya say abon ho ban ya na. Why are you interrupting? Martinez, I'm not talking to you. I get not sofo.
Got it.
Double do wa ho fe wo kasa obi bia ye cool wa na what to bia cra twa me say wo ya ba hima black suspense suffer kasa eh possible ananya possible okay so go on
yeah to us obema edrum pempen so bia ese utumi yi kutu na nsi form so berema because edru baabi na ohun se bia oba no ebi akasa bia ne kan ankoye enti na bia mo ye stubborn bra form tell her you are sorry, address it properly because will help your life, it's at stake. Enti no so be pacho and then be krokro no amo aba beti ase no ma hospital ama mo atomo necessary ma we nyina wo ma na se bia won kasa boni bi enchire no eno be ma obe offended and I still am on person be here mo se bia bibi wo ho eno be nya enti eno no na welfare because se onu che sa ya oni bia e bia nko no be pressure obey man so man hospital
okay
but onu ni hunu bi nti no
emfa no
odi ene emfa no ena uche se ni obey man nso ka se ye no krese on for baby anso won echi no nko ano ne ni da
atwa no nko na ma ne problem
meanwhile no sa oba kro ya no se o the condom ene ni da onya sa problem me baby am point e won e wo because a problem be wo obema no ho a enka so onya de no ho ka no na no ho ba e be keka no ho ba we die o she condom ba o mi so she condom na ho ba
so for mama nka o could it be say yare bi wo ho a honam eka honam a ene trigger
ene na krodos
okay I asem bisa like I'm just asking I asem bisa so for mo anonko
it's possible
okay
honam ka honam a yare bi wa honam ka honam na de ba on enti se bigili say problem e wo be ma no ho enka condom or not condom on ne da e beba but we die o she condom a yare na ma one she condom and 2 days ohun sadie
okay
and from experience meaning say bibi ti say gonorrhea say e wo ba ho no be manya obe man ne dan ne acha ochena na de chi
obehu ebe
pia mo be man ehunu say we no oba no kre nim say osa problem enti beti am say ebi e wo ba no ena ehinta ohuni because odware ohoforo no osiesie no te se na moken odibi a odinronro bi ehye e hoche achetan ena hwawo wese se na obe me kanfo se ehwam ni ade nyina enu nti no ketim ko obi bi odi spray entu konwa e fine but ye woman no you don't know enti no onto the nancy form na ho odi nti onto the nancy form na on your banning say bia ebe catcher so ni nya no should be the last time the last a year crash as or try bia
so for me producer say time in wrap it up
enti no onto the nancy form na on
your be kasa
en hospital na definitely ebe curable idea ni yen cure no relationship into us no manyentem na konkon
so for me that say Brahima or see Or say time or cobata on so back as a buy my also so back as a panelist, but I'm producer. You told me that you are the producer, you run the show.
Yeah, I run. I pour the shots too as well.
Wow.
I like that.
Yeah.
I'm
but
sure.
at the end when I can.
Oh, baby, because so many were you. Oh, two flame in the world. You just told me that we should wrap up. That
okay,
you run the show.
Problem. One. A man be a man your my head.
Me, my girl, and found combi.
Why?
Girl, Casa.
A man be ma and near my head. Dodo. Cause we know. More having your moment to be as a mere bias. But yeah, problem again, and dear my boy. Oh, unqua, ya bound one, no be ba. Unqua, ya bound one.
Ya banner. Nabra, my Obama, a problem.
But your mouth.
Oh, my, and no imagine chain.
As a young American.
I then now walk.
Unqua, ya pimwa.
Open me saying.
Not in Su or see in Suvita be, but
Right, my open nipper saying. I are punching a pim nipper.
Unqua, ya grown one.
Oh, grow me was the same. Brian, my old grow me was the same.
Me a digging.
Depoyo. Me a depoyo. Into old grow me was the same.
Unqua or bang on the bow one.
Or banner was the same.
No, my man come on.
Brian, my can you because this show is not for kids. If you can't talk like a matured man,
you know what that.
You know what that's the same. Pillow to pillow.
Yeah, wowa.
Unqua, ya wowa.
You want me to send me a bunch. Get out of here, producer. Ebusia for ani amount for a trauma drain.
Me solution wumpa.
Mpacho kasayi.
Enti
Unqua ye diwa.
Okay, unqua si diwa. Na problems beba.
Ye diwa try.
Problem one say guy no or no so the way all kasa no why guy no me no why me want to the extent say or say oba na smells very good.
Yeah.
Say but obi wo ha ohun say oba na no and anu atre dudu na uni anu atre perfume
me pacho o baby any word perfume be good because I share oh bra
I know what
the problem is and I'm waiting for you to run to
I don't know because
you're beating about the bush and I can't stand it Brahima, just go straight to the
point.
point.
A lot of problems it's a bit on mami tro wouldn't say money be or call the guy or cry na or the ice block I shall say
Nenche
na make catch us it could be say be all ba shia na no say the guy neighbor
but ice block am my train nyehwam enye
obey or say onimia ma obetimi temporary no or the be ye until me I believe say e ba ne sa no ya na o call doctor ni mu den because say madam fu bi nya agunu e na me dey call hospital me nya agunu no ma no edin but ono no ye call ye no na omo check ni ye dey we ni share ni ye check ni temperature yeah. Your call doctor no see yes. One of my start take us. And I say, young man, are you the one who say, no, he's my friend. No, see, let him talk. Madam who know want to mean casa not you.
I think.
And I'm saying me make casa because I ain't meaning you know. Won't I an Canadian? We know obeti me omumwo. It could be say guy no cry we yare bi ono so person de my girl na so betimi a factor. Enti what on your man say omumienu na omunyo ma adwen na omonko say na akosie ka no sometimes approach you know be man the way I be catch oba no crying to cry no be very offended man in but chop odi maybe
na very well ice block now kan
ebusia for me mpacho okay it's my time to contribute yabo 11:27 I have to open the phone lines for my listeners to also contribute and to me for media kitwa and so me from letter I'm dealing with a letter I don't know the woman I don't know the guy but from the way a letter ne buy trust me obema utia oba ne twa problem bia any ho the etchene is clean because from me experience say a problem from the way I walk and say problem oba ne twa and the number of times I waiting no anka she's supposed to know say a problem when twa but who say problem when twa problem any ne twa I didn't know make kasa. See, most of the times a man no me pacho obi phone ring on the answer. See, most of the times na trying to ye bedia ye pese ye spice and up. And see the niama remu ne bi niama se na ebeya de. See, and no enema problem it was side effect. Mema ne bi wo anya mema nkasa. Nipa dasani wo nipa dasani. We are allergic to so many things. Mimi say, ebi am allergic to nkatie. We are allergic to jane. We are allergic to hintia baby. People are allergic to stuff. Pepper crowd be allergic to it. It is possible say Bema no you are allergic to something that is in the product that you are putting in your pussy. You are not allergic to it. And what the show will try now, ebechi odi ebenede ebeye kama but odi we obenya soon so from the way Bema ne kano. I don't think say obano e trying problem bien you because problem Brahima. Can I end everybody? You all had your time to talk. You all. This is my opinion. This is my opinion. This is my opinion. If I am wrong, let me be wrong. This is my opinion. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Obia kanasem. See, a problem one. If it is a no by a chest saying crowd because a home side effect a be piama we home. That's what I mean. And it's a word trying a couple of times. No infections. Being that's all bad no who said because a chair way send it say be and say and so cry I'm better show make a cow in a way you will feel some discomfort. So if the woman is comfortable for you to fuck her pussy anyhow, blah blah blah, and she's not complaining, and you are the one complaining, trust me, there is no problem with the pussy, but there is problem with what she's applying to the pussy before you are fucking the pussy. Maybe you are allergic to what she's applying to the pussy before you fuck the pussy. In any time I'll for kibia no ubanya soon so. Ain't it? Control. There is a simple way of dragging a woman to the hospital to check her pussy. Don't tell her she's the problem. Tell her you are the problem. She will get angry and she will rant and she will do whatever it is. But at the back of her mind, she is grateful that you have told her that you are the problem. Tell her so ba Nancy mindi mi huni. Nancy mi pona mi dufia min yare. Men can say I would do trebi nadie. Medrufia menjari. I'm using like dirty boxes and stuff like that. And I think say by doing so I have a problem. Ain't no say I have sex yeah, me get discharge be. Ain't me feel say me decide discharge and amount. Ain't me patcho. Young konko doctor, I'm trying to treat myself. Young konko treat you send a beya unya sa problem ni bi. And yen come through hospital now only doctor no the ambe kan na maka. Yenti ni twemunku na yen testing hwese no no ye problem na e beti ni twemunku a test. So no ye problem na be ma na duro na eso atwa. Enye eme nyina na wo confidence to take what you tell them. Me for instance, I am one of the baddest girl. But who catch me say, hey, goddess, and I'm new, and I mean, like I'm going to get pissed off, like I'm going to get offended, I'm going to get embarrassed, and me feria, mama building a home as be, even though I know some the problem no, and as a minimum cry, mama yes some way be, because me ya won't pena. And to make a say me deal with me tremble so I mean jintum. Even if I know say me cramming jintum muda. Because me ya won't pina me ya will girl. And say me would you balance and the tram problem woman now person treat now go so enjoy ya. Catch and say you are the problem and you are solving the problem and you feel say you've given it to her. And so let's go to the clinic and treat you as well so that in future you don't show symptoms and she'll be proud and she will say so and I only now I say now do shabo dirty boxes I say I could do your baby and the trap phone blah 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 let her say all of that but you know she's a problem at the back of your head And I think said, in my answer on mine, in my opinion, that's how I think you should deal with it. Because insecurity is with every woman. Brian, you don't have time to talk. Me pacho, upeso contribute to a show no swa. Me share me space. Na ma bubo numbers na ashrew. Thank you, Brian. I'm not wearing my glasses. I love you.
02 macho numbers na dey to dwa no pacho say o frɛ na say e bia wo hwe o TV so a pacho ube lower volume no on the TV no. Why? Now if you wait here for phone. Mesrewa o frɛ ewo mo amohwe o TV so no pese mo frɛ o frɛ na we lower volume no men expect say obesan tie wo ho any radio phone na numbers no 020 822 7270 020 822 7270 and 0550 582 982 0550 582 982 na Nana Patrol we dey this row me pay a chairman hall self contain
Debi.
me say me pay chairman hall self contain
Me pacho.
oh mami we me there
Brian, practice what you preach because they be the number to you see men fret and cow problem. Men can
we are make comedian but more be enfre number na me dey betu mo be enkan kire me say na ne light bill so you me say me pay chairman
and then your better man
and 50% no man penin kan ne dey na mba number na me can we no
practice what you
the
preach.
love na pick course nti yemfa course but your lower o TV no but your offer na we lower o TV no no akasa nana man mra na yemfa course no enko
Mema wadon so Mema wadon so Mema wadon so Hello Mema wadon so Obejis with dead tell.
Hello.
Me pacho udini baby a ofre fi.
Yeah, me pacho very big man.
Ofre fi. Asaman kesi bes maki o how anything.
Hello.
Be yeti o kasa. Lowa radio ni TV ni wa me pacho. Enye sa wonte hwe. Okay, yeti o kasa.
Yeah, me pacho. Your friend is na me share program.
Okay, darling.
Issue about the Oba or if you are Oba ni be ma mo have it there's now no problem about if you are Osha Oba no problem now tinya yari say gonorrhea ni ade.
No dey ma be man no nti ya.
Nti ba chaw. Nya me kire me say we ma fit ya.
Okay.
Oba no me ni have it Diana me feel it again from 2 days going me feel it again.
Hey, sir.
Na sa adena me feel no. Me have it na me chat to be na me feel grow na me ye na be bia. Bajo ete de ko bia Oba no e samba bi na me ni ye daria na samba.
Oh wow.
Sometimes you see man, no banner, no, but then you have it. I mean, even though Obana teaching, I said, Obana, the meaning who say about it, Oba.
Yeah.
Okay, that problem. When you catch them now, on another person, if I say, because me more that stuff. I better na me solving no do na bibia ko.
Neko.
Nti no aya na ba ni wo ha. Omo so nhwe no mo play bibia na don gi no ntu. No nhwe. No so e ma say Once you have the idea now about a young non solve in the private.
Okay. Me that's it. Me that's it. Sena more dick and kind money baby wo ho a omunya infection na. Oh sorry. Sena mod utie beginning na mod kind no money baby wo ho omunya infection na it doesn't show. There are no symptoms. Into on to me hu na wagye atum say eye ono a. Yeah. But a being so was so ebia no ba no oyuso niama bi edition ase ebe man ase achi before only neighbor have sex. Hello met was mpacho me ma odon so mpacho di baby afrefi Abigail tema mpacho yeti o. Okay darling. But Oba Umaya, can you tell us why boy in the fast so Eddie Casachira once and I would in a Chiako hospital Nana. They say I'm moody a chinchon problem bien. I know, right? Yeah, Abigail me now number can do.
Hello.
Hey, man, to me, we must say me. Hi, darling, me patch me my odon so.
Oh,
Dead, darling, patch Odin. Would baby our friend fee?
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, darling.
Always jam me try to make friends
I mean, we didn't baby our free fee.
Oh, but you're from Kofi or me prefer Labadi.
Coffee from Lab. I know you're in Crane Pacho. Coffee from Labadi and Craniana.
Oh, that we mean you.
I am Casse for what some to Johnny and tea.
Miss Rempimano, yeah, you not say. Some people now,
It was a
it says, or can I no one want to and what relationship? Oh, yeah, or can I want that? Yarabit me about it. Yaraba Hona, and yet, single Diniki Nama, in the water, would you do no motion? Ona relationship, Nona, a so try. Oh.
Hey, no cow buy as a me out so you hook up. Yenny quick.
Hello.
Yeah, hook up in a quick one.
Yeah, okay, but you got from 45 going. Oh,
okay.
And you know, 0555
0555
89 40
40
0555 89 4067.
And a me, I knew sugar mammy. And a me for a while. May so, Apple popo. Mema wadan so. Mema odon so. Mema wadan so. Mema odon so.
Hello.
Mema wadan so. Dead model, darling. Me pacho udini baby our friend fee. Oh, darling, pacho it's you for us to drop me and Cassam.
Yeah, and Bano, if you know what, yet for say, when you have traveled out at your mom, like me, there was a problem like that. I'm gonna make count in my say, I'm gonna go away. But up as now, oh, we got me, yeah, the same, you pick up that.
And yes, I want to ask you.
Oh, what you are saying, I have to work out the number, like, you
And but you want to ask you, set to up. I would do the same.
the problem the guy, you know, one day, you won't probably be done, I'm a born a man, you know, just say, I'm a go hospital, I'm a go I'm a free hospital. I'm a yet my later now. I got him gone, means nothing.
What?
With no reason.
It's by a hookup.
Yeah.
Oh, about type, man.
From 18 to, I mean,
Now, what do I?
26.
26 up 18. Toto fair. And if I'm not matter, Jen, I'm a producer, Craig out.
Mama is 0241.
I found me. 55.
21. 0241. 55. 26. 21.
So, yeah, you, my dear.
Electrical engineer.
Thank you, darling. Me ma wodon so. Me pacho udini baby a ufrefi. Francis ufrefi. Hey, my hood. Okay, Francis, talk to the goddess. It's not that one day. It's not easy. Oh, I know how it feels. Yeah. Yeah, hook up, why? Away chinyam and then nyam. Or two baby. A board, yeah, Pentecost. 0243 980 940 0243 980 940. That's it. Mama dancer. Hey! I just feel going to be like a miniana. Oh, Ben, I'm about to. Who's what I ate in me? Ain't me why empty and I'm afraid why am I?
Oh, and I'm all right now.
Yeah, big boy. What's the small boys? Yeah, perilla. What's the giddy young coda? Officer, what's wrong? Mama, what answer? Oh, darling, me pacho, Udini, baby, I'll free. Udini, baby, oh, free, darling. Oh, darling, talk to the goddess. Meet you, gonna mean Casa, Yankasa. Are you very serious? Okay.
So then when you know said then you go and see we can be only in the position. I will want a area of watch it. You go by Obama, what you want. Obama check,
Me that's it, darling. Oh, lucky. Me family last caller. Nafe masoreso. Epu. Mekshi. Akofie. Sabe pepe. Me mau odo enso. Me pacho budi any baby a ufre efi. Me pacho budi any baby a ufre efi. Oh wow, e ben chebion.
Old tafo and new tafo.
Me pacho kasa yeti o. Old tafo ana. New tafo. Me producer say o ben the prom.
Me chrome old tafo.
Hey, Apostle, what fans? Okay, yeti o.
Bajana is like this. Also be a health sector. Only about education. Also, and I think so. The first thing, and I said, discharge the hell of Obama. The newer say, their man, and I said, Obama, also mean I think a cost of not doctor, actual Buddha, a double, Buddha, a finer, a buffer, so so sex is, to me, sex is like the food. So we have to be cautious about it whenever we are going to meet our wife or our partner. So that's what I want to do. So that we know the other side.
Oh, me that's it. Watch dream. Yabo 11:50. 10 minutes to 12. Maybe abe sorry so. Ebusianfo atro madre. A friend phone so atro madre. Yes, sorry so no. Also, Akusia Martinez, imagine chance.
Let me finish.
You can't finish it. You've had your time. Akusia, yes, sorry so no. Diawuti na. Then what you make of it? How open the top fancy saying?
Okay. So so I can see a dear.
Me pacho kasago my come.
Sir, you do
Peja. Buy my peja man my count. Yes, be a man.
You do
That's nice.
You dear one. You name so come. A dear. You say, Muna, more healthy. No moody. I don't know. I do not fine. Who did a raw crana? When him say, you treat him, you need problem. But when you're real one, I don't need you. And I feel bad. It takes a check and son when your infection be able to me. You're dead anyway. You're really gonorrhea, a minor gonorrhea. I bet check. And son, I'll be symptoms and our signs.
Nature.
Deep on a woman. But in Memman, it takes some few days. No, you know, wedding. And a man, we are at risk. Into a bad year. Once last my own infections and son of aqua checker. Once a while, I know gynecologists in Casa. What could you show Jim near Coso? What I say? Oh, no moon, broke a crack, and yet no year to tell the whole year training. No, but who change your panties? Your men's is up, change your pad. And then a man who need dear getting after a man and so I won't carry problem, neighbor. A man, if a finger or bad chair, making sure the wow or fingernails are very neat. So we are making, and the problems very marble. Baby, especially if it's for personalized. So I personalized. Also, what didn't Sakwashi share?
oil money
dirty oil so near me was so formally
oh she e bi no she gloves
obaye na no de nsuo na ohoro keke
obe tafru obe gru twa no
na sia no de akoshe twanim ono so atwanim so finger me finger ma ne nkonko ka me se
ne womb
esa na efi wo mu a wogya fie gu twanim ana wogya ho na wogya gu mu a ayete se ebebo toa na afeje ayi nkosua wo ho nti wo akote do na obesan de akote yare
na problem yo ba
fitafo mesifo mo amoye ne ma mo de mo nsane ya esue mo di mo hu oba musu di wo hu ni
carpenter for nyina
carpenter for
even cook chef for nyina die ne ko raw bi ko nsam ka
bibia ye ni ye hu ni because ye twa ni ye kote ye japade eno na di ye beko na sign de aba wo bo bai wo ko hospital onu mo onuro wo check o drugs no bibia wo didi ye wo check your diet wo di fruits what I say we jari ye so pe awo ho unko fafa nyama insect ya did say da ya ho die na be to so ye ma ani die
bibi akoye sofo oh we Martinez sofo be shrasa Martin
yeah goddess na o producer be keep in this ebi mo the ice block show must hono madre hu sa na
una obeka no so so
cube na na so the achichire
the papa no
ni na afumo ya he kunike
the papa no
sa rubber no
the papa the papa ebe na me wo twa na ma na eketwa
enti no na emo
people will go to the extreme but when what can we and my man side effects I know that for sure
man kasakra no omo man kasakra ne ma na wonam na ice block show so we ase kwan
it's only when you have a game.
What's your problem?
I mean, like it's not a problem. It's only when you have a it's only when you have a game.
No, Miss Bell.
No what game
game no be boa udi kan boa wo ho ye trainer kopem say ya da na wo match
last minute no one freeze pussy no if you don't like it and no na slay queens na but no na slay queens na rich and famous no
yes we are rich
and famous
but now they are now
and famous
who
the frozen pussy na
so enti I was here they cried the tunche if say you who be on I was one kasano also giving attention because I have for your own good I have wow health at the end of the day they be no one worry but no abo solve problem be on ho it's a hand time and they are home so on what the nyama share on na problem aba na yen go hospital na say ko hwe na e check so a o se dabi it's good so be born home by say over building up but overhauling
yeah nchaso sofo yeah nshraso sofo shraso na mo table your program no are you okay Brian my talk
thank you mama bana mankasa so na o si na oba
Brian oh you comedian no
it's na me ba me pese me kasa no mankasa so be kasa misuban asesa
bra kasa na ka for me
ba cho ye peche men ho
oni hwan
ye peche men ho
oni hwan
me ba cho ade hia na ma cho me wi na ye nko amaji wa ni
Apostle Pause Apostle Shraso ye mpeche me ho wa
na ufane hamagbe
cheme ukodi wan na wo
then ye da obeba no nya
but you need to explain to me vividly what the chamber hall is about
oba that chamber na me da hall
enye mwa me program
etim ba cho na mino amaji we mi
Kai.
Nana maji wa mi.
Apostle G Mike na Yenshwa so. Bayima me wa Facebook page with numerous
Mba cho udi mama wie.
Pacho medu mo mic no.
Girl na sem na make no.
Medu mo mic no.
Nigga no say
don't even.
Omo chairman ho.
You are
spacious one.
You are talking to nobody. Nobody is listening.
Get now all money when you are here.
It's what I go on and answer.
We are Nana. If you want 2 minutes,
Sugar mama. Oh, go so jina mic ichi. Brahima, see, it is okay to for you to want to advertise some chamber hall audukudiobi, but let's Apostle bless it. I have a page with plenty numbers. Who will chamber hall be? Brahima, Brahima, then give me your details. I'll post on my page.
No, Upacho, and I be an obi will be too on Upacho.
When you me and discuss it, and I'm about showing us. When you me a preoccupy catch a man, I may say, me will page and what millions of followers, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Former men I'm in post a church, but now you can't do that. So my reputation is at stake. Yeah, shower you ma Anne. You to me, Brian, my brother, I mean, do now crop is so Brian, yeah, the most so for me. Danny may be sour, show you so young, I'll be the Musu mean, ya were bushing, and obey me. I'm
never bushing. Aha, be some is our question. I'll be sending them out. Brian, my name will be Brian, and now we are bass here, and now we are Chema home. Nothing was self contained. Let me check that one. Me farmer, media mouse scratchy. And I dream in no neco. Your chamber and whole problems are solved right now. So focus.
Every say, and something in and I can media. Ijirani obema no ontuni na insifo.
No fanciful.
Se nkwa ehu eyi.
Papa.
Ya oma oba ne do a onu ne do no enkata neni. Onhwe na brabo yi. Ewiase ede. Eduane ede.
Yase ede.
Onye mu ya onim ni a obenya. Enti no onyina no onye nkwa enya ahwodene. Se ne na mo eka no. Saa de we say etena ahocha. Ebetimi ekun ebetimi amayare
so for obi pesusum ya si akwanchira obefra won number so number
0249 25 1067
okay
0249 25 1067
akosia mod obi pe sex counseling na because obi anim say we sex coach on frɛ won number ben so
and go for bisa Facebook no pa mo bisa say
Facebook no mo follow me mod Akufo-Addo.
Mod Akufo-Addo for sex counseling, sex coach. Unya one-on-one coaching.
I do, but there are not calls in the dogs.
Ain't so people say about one-on-one. Obe share obe ba him fa.
But John frame is 055 6 796.
Okay.
59.
Okay.
0556
796 599 Martinez Pepacho obi say onye wo ebo mpunimpu na ohu the reason why I wear glasses and ajubia open ye den on front number benzo 0204 150 389 0204 150 389
Oh, problem be so now per se with the basho so
wait to me afraid wait to me afraid
na watch me hospitious one na we watching baby no me gba bonti o
me pa trebusia fo
oh ma o dia ma me fan to bia
madam was say I want to talk
who bet me and send me WhatsApp it was 050 60 44358 050 60 44358 mbacho problem na me kanu ukunu si ojawa eno no o de sene ma me fi
ye beti me bacho me de me fi
okay enti me wi am ebo Mixbel so number
no
aha ukunu si ojawa munko hu abusuafo eno no but one issues na ye ka wa ha.
This is blackmail.
05060443558. But asem na me kan no so wo bia. Chime ho no. Dada no
necessary.
Spacious chime ho.
Right, ma obechema ho dey.
Self-contained.
Single room.
Wa minya wa chimota kra me okay. Tantra Hill and I host one. Iti u de dada no asem na me kan no.
Right, man pek aswa.
De mean iti no
Hey, two-page. Brahima, I'm so offended. But you could have given me this to post on my Instagram, Facebook page.
Don't worry, we'll show you how to.
Yes, but me sure you and cancer has a
They been where it has to do with me.
But I don't give a fuck about you.
Okay, Nyami Addo
I was here for senior banana. Yedi baby, yeah. Ane Mundi Muhuni Namushamusu, yeah. Oba, me patch.
Mixbel, baby.
On 95.1 FM. And I said, do you money? What's the money? The eternal money. And I ain't control my crowd. Hey, no. Violent, I mean, the boy.
Why you agree for money?
Me neighbor. Why is it? Oh, station pa. Idiano. I'm a funny diano.
A dog in me can be cool.
Can it be a me? Boy,
Let me just a long down with you.
and she here for them to not be she again. Mommy, I can't buy. Hey, I hope I can have all my phones. Okay, hey, she phone on a phone.
No. One cool.
Bye.